Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites, signed-in Microsoft account and enough OneDrive storage. Once done, open OneDrive on the web or the desktop app and navigate to where you want the shared folder. Create a new folder or select an existing one. This matters because inheritance of permissions follows the parent folder. Next, right-click the folder and choose Share. This is your first actionable step to set access. Make sure to choose Edit versus View, depending on collaborator needs. Now you'll configure link and permission options so collaborators can work as intended. When the Share dialog opens, pick the link type, anyone, people in your organization, or specific people, because this controls scope. Then toggle Edit permission if you want collaborators to add or change files, and set an expiration or password for extra security. Once configured, click Apply and copy the link. If you need granular control, open Manage Access for per-user rights and auditing. This prevents accidental oversharing. Finish by notifying recipients and verifying access. Paste the copied link into an email or send it directly from the Share dialog, adding a note about expected behavior and folder etiquette. After they accept, confirm they can open and edit files if intended. Make adjustments in Manage Access to remove or change permissions. If something goes wrong, check sync status, OneDrive tenant sharing policies, and whether the link type restricts external users. These are the most common blockers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.